Hello, welcome to the UltFone channel. When I update the latest iOS 16, it said unable to install. An error occurred while installing iOS 16. So how can you proceed? In this video, we have 3 solutions for this issue. We'll go over each of them in this video. Now, let's get started. Fix 1. Reset network settings. In this way, we need to go to Settings, then General. Tap Reset, and then reset network settings. After the iPhone restarts, we need to connect a stable network manually. Now, go to General, iPhone Storage, find the iOS 16 update and delete it. Then you can download and install iOS 16 again. If the issue persists, move on to the next solution. Fix 2. Update your iPhone with iTunes. In this way, we need to plug your iPhone into the computer. Then open iTunes on your computer. Click iPhone icon. Then click Update option. Confirm your choice in the next steps and agree to the terms and agreement. Then just wait a few minutes. It's completed. Let's check it out. As you can see, we are on iOS 16 now. Fix 3. Use UltFone iOS System Repair. UltFone iOS System Repair can help you solve this problem and update your iPhone to iOS 16. So download and launch it on your computer. Ensure that your iPhone is connected to the computer. Click Start button, then select the standard repair, which can update your iPhone without losing any data. Download the firmware. After that, it will start repairing. Great, it's completed. Let's get back to our iPhone and check it out. As you can see, your iOS version is updated to iOS 16 now. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.